Hi and welcome back to Cheeky Crypto. My name's Chris and it's fantastic to have you back with us for another crypto basics tutorial video. And in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how you add Ethereum to your Nano Ledger. If you enjoy this sort of content and you want to support the channel, mash up that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video. Right, let's get into this. So here we go, we've got Ledger Live open now. Obviously I've got many different ledgers, so this has got details of like some of what I hold on another ledger. So just ignore that for the time being, but in a nutshell, it's really straightforward. What you need to do is obviously have your Nano Ledger open, as in you put your pin in, and you know, you've got the app actually open. You then click manager and we'll just wait for this to load up. It will then normally ask you to confirm the manager setting on the ledger, so you will do that. And then we've got the catalog here for the apps, and this has a whole list of different apps that you can install on Ledger Live and basically on your actual ledger. Now obviously this will work for all ledgers. This is the Nano Ledger X. It's all updated. If you have an orange bar here saying that you need to do an upgrade, just follow the prompts on screen. It's really straightforward, and we can see Ethereum here. So all we need to do is click install, and that will install it onto your Nano Ledger. Just wait for that to load up. We'll get a load bar on the Nano Ledger. Just wait for that to update. And there we have it. It is now installed on the Nano Ledger. So it is really straightforward. So a really straightforward tutorial of how to add Ethereum onto your Nano Ledger. And you can pretty much follow this step for all of the other crypto assets on there. Obviously there are some third-party apps that are utilized for some of the cryptocurrencies on the Nano Ledger, so just stay tuned for other tutorials. Do check out our crypto basics playlist on the channel. This should help you navigate how to use the Nano Ledger X, S and S Plus. If you have any questions or you can't find a tutorial that you're looking for, why not let us know in the comments below and we'll get a video tutorial made. Or jump in our Discord. We have a community of over 3,500 people talking about crypto 24/7. Fantastic supportive community looking to build generational level wealth, supporting one another for the I guess to support with the adoption of crypto. So yeah, do jump in there. It's free to join. The link is in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed today's content, mash up that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video, and I'll catch you in the next one.